Passage 3, questions 12 through 17. Listen to a lecture in an education class.
All of you are enrolled in this introductory education course because you want to become teachers. I'd like to introduce this course with a little information about the life of a teacher a century ago. I hope you'll understand this information about early teachers, and I think you'll appreciate how much the life of a teacher has changed over the past century. Early in the 20th century, the life of a teacher was quite different from what it is now. There were very strict rules that governed every aspect of the teacher's life. The rules weren't just about how a teacher could conduct herself in the classroom and on the school grounds. There were also numerous rules that governed just about everything a teacher did. Here are some of the rules. Teachers had to follow strict rules about their appearance. They were sometimes told not to wear colorful clothing, not to dye their hair or wear it loose, and not to wear their skirts above the ankle. Teachers' whereabouts during after-school hours were also strictly regulated. There were rules forbidding teachers to go to bars and to ice cream parlors. There were rules requiring teachers to be home after 8 in the evening. And there were some rules forbidding them to leave town without permission. Just about any action a teacher wanted to take could be regulated. Teachers could be forbidden to smoke or to drink. They were also sometimes forbidden to spend time with men or to marry if they wanted to remain teachers.
Number 12. Who is listening to the lecture? Number 13. The rules discussed in the lecture relate to what period of time? Number 14. What is stated in the lecture about the rules for teachers? Number 15. What rules about clothing are discussed in the lecture? Number 16. What were teachers required to do in the evening? Number 17. Where were teachers forbidden to go?